Hey, how's it going? This is our Wales trip, first big trip, myself and Dad. I'm riding the Tiger as well, so we're going to review this, let you know all about it because it's new and it's shiny and it's really good, I can already tell you that. So stay tuned to find out more about this bike and we'll let you know how the trip went, maybe make some recommendations on maybe some roads you used to try out. But yeah, this is Wales and let's have a good time. Triumph Tiger 1200s, very nice. And Dad has to suffer the exhaust on my Ninja 650. But here we go, here's the beast. First time riding a bike this size, so... Oh, flip me, yeah, that Ninja is loud. Take it super easy. I am not used to this. Oh, okay. Front wheel came right up. Woo! See, it's okay if you're trying to do it, but when it happens and you wasn't planning on it, oh boy. Now, I'm sure you all want to know about the bike. Well, display, nice and bright. Throttle input, very smooth. Visibility through those mirrors is great. Blind spot detection as well, and I've seen that working really well. Pulling up alongside, you can see it flash up right when you'd expect it to. It's been good fun so far. 260 miles done yesterday. So we met in Bristol, I came up from Cornwall, Dad came down from London, and here we are in Wales, and the farmers are transporting their headers for the combine. So I guess there's going to be some combining going on soon. Yesterday we had a bit of rain, but now, next 2-3 days is going to be sunshine. Oh, I don't have the confidence like he does. I really don't. He's much braver than I am. But then I've only been on big bikes for the last, I don't know, 14 months or something. Oh yeah, picks up nice. Now I know why I've been struggling to keep up with him. Even though it's like so big, it's got so much more grunt than mine. Here we go, so Wales trip, bit of rain on the first day. But then it's been pretty sunny since.
Yeah, it's been great. The road's been fantastic.
Day one, I was a bit slow, and then day two started to keep up a little bit more.
Yep. So we've had a really good time, you know, enjoying some of those really long, twisty roads. The only problem with, of course, being in Wales is the 20-mile-an-hour speed limits in town, but the 40s, that there's 40 miles an hour, 50 miles an hour everywhere, rather than 60 and 70.
Yeah, I complain about speeds a lot. It's a bit of a frustration because it's completely unnecessary. We'll see if it changes. They're trying to roll back the 20-mile-an-hour zones because it's just ridiculous.
But how did you find the Triumph? Because you've now ridden it for, you know, about a day. What are your thoughts on it?
The Tiger is absolutely amazing. Such a great bike. Does the touring thing super well, but then also when we start having fun and we get in the twisties, it's a brilliant bike. It's just so well balanced. It encourages us to go quick and really get it lent over. So it does both really well. And frustratingly, like mine is more of a sporty bike, and yet I'd rather ride this in a sporty fashion.
The great thing about this is that it's great for touring, but also if you want to throw it around, you really can have some fun on it. So, you know, it handles the roads, you know, beautifully, superbly. So you can really get your feet pegs down if you wanted to.
Yeah. Talk about the spec on it, why you picked this particular version.
Yeah, so again, I'm not a touring guy. I still do track days. So for me, I rode one of these a couple of years ago in Spain, loved it. I got the GT Explorer, which is a 30-litre tank. And the only reason why I bought it was because it was actually on offer. So I think it was discounted by $4,000. I probably would have preferred the smaller tank version because it is a bit big. But what you do on the upgrades is you get the spotlights basically at the front, and then you've got this sensor at the back which indicates if someone's trying to overtake you. I think that's basically the upgrades on it for the GT Explorer. It was a good deal. I couldn't say no. So it was discounted, plus it got the free luggage on it as well, 2 side panniers, and yeah. So for me, I probably go touring 4 times a year. It's sufficient. That's right. Yeah. So we obviously have to compare this to the BMW GS, but yeah, if you're doing more touring than what you are, then I would say if you're doing touring, then get the GS. If you're only going touring on the odd occasion, then this is well sufficient.
Yeah, it's still very refined, and we've got to point out maybe 1 or 2 of the slight things that we picked up on.
Well, you picked up on the fact that the side stand. So here looks great, but if you're on a straight surface or with a slightly opposite adverse camber, then it doesn't sit very well and it can be pushed over very, very quickly. So you've got to really be thinking about twice about how you park
It's
it.
a little bit unnerving, but you just get used to it and you
Yeah.
realise you've got to park it a certain way. And then just this tyre wear, we've noticed is a bit odd.
This one I don't understand why. Okay, ignore the fact that the tyre is now scrapped, and that's because we've been riding it hard. But yeah, you can see there's just a bit of a unusual wear on the right hand side. So I don't know what's causing that, but we get some new tyres anyway. Maybe it's just the fact that I was throwing it around Portugal when I bought it, and the roads were amazing, and yeah, we did ride it hard.
We did ride it hard. Yeah, it's been ridden hard on those tyres. And then you picked up on
it was nothing major,
ABS
but
issue.
when I gave it its first wash, I noticed that the ABS wire was actually touching the exhaust pipe and it burnt through. But they got replaced in the warranty, so I think it's just positioned incorrectly, but had no problems with it since. Yeah, and there was condensation in one of the indicator lights which they replaced. But other than that, it's there's no issues. It's been running beautifully.
Yeah, and we've got all the nice cases as well. They look really smart, and there's loads of room in them, and they lock up well. And
Yep. Yeah, I mean, perfect towing. I mean, people have the fabric ones, but for these, you can very easy to take them on and off. But most thing is the fact that it's secure and people can't get into it.
So yeah, trip around Wales. I have to say it's very pretty. Not going to get into the politics of it. The 20-mile-an-hour zones they're everywhere here. Generally speaking, the roads are really nice and windy, twisty. Okay, instantly see the appeal. Quick shifters, amazing. We're going to have a conversation about changing the Ninja 650 out. I've outgrown it. This is another problem with riding nice stuff all the time like this. Your base expectations become much higher. What a bike should be. Yeah, throttle engagement. Oh boy, I'm having a blast right now. Yeah, front forks load up nicely. Oh, it's just nicer to ride than the Ninja 650 in the corners. Let's go. Oh boy, it keeps on going. Oh, it's got more to give. Okay, all the grunt you ever need. I'd actually say the switchgear's better than the BMW's. You can actually feel what you're doing. Yeah, the switches are better. Confirm, you will not be disappointed if you buy this. Suspension is absolutely divine. Soaking up all the bumps. Nice Porsche. Let's roll through the mountains. Welcome to the pretty bits of Wales. I'm navigating for the next 20 minutes. It's so pretty. Oh man. I was hoping for more sunshine. This will have to do. Yesterday was brighter than this. I do like this bike. You can do so many miles comfortably and with a smile on your face. Look at this, just rolling through. I probably should know what the two mountains are either side of me. Look at all these Welsh walls. Absolutely stunning. Been a few evenings camped out on these hills in the past. Look at this. Woo! So good. Yeah, so there's not much in Wales. It's just pretty and it's full of roads. Had a massive breakfast at the coffee shop this morning and parked outside the castle. Very nice way to start the day. We got another 8 miles until wherever we're stopping. I think it's just a scenic view that we're stopping for. And I think today we've probably got 250-ish miles to do, which I'm more than happy about. Everyone's standing up, so I'm going to join them. Oh, it sounds good, this thing. So the hill hold is quite handy, especially being a bigger bike. Oh, look at this. Everyone's off-roading for their parking space. There's obviously walks to be had here. Oh yeah, you can see some ladders over there, steps to get over the wall. And look, the quality of the road is good. Obviously, this is it's a 60 zone. Oh man, I should really be just overtaking everybody. I think that's what Dad wants to do, so there's quite a bit of traffic there. Oh, it's fantastic they put this road here. Wow, wow, wow. Well, I guess I'm learning as I go. and off goes the Ninja. So it's just us chilling. I'm not sure if I totally understand the etiquette for going past other bikers. That's a wrap on my review of the Triumph Tiger 1200 here in Wales. Riding with my dad made it such a great trip. The bike was brilliant and the roads were fun. If you've got any questions about either the Tiger or the routes we took, please drop them down in the comments below. I'll get back to you on that. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and check out my other car and bike reviews on the channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.